In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print exported profit and loss reports in Xero. We'll walk through the full process from opening Xero to getting a clean, professional PDF on paper. This is great for sharing with your accountant, taking to meetings, or keeping tidy business records. Start by logging into Xero in your web browser. Make sure you're in the correct organization so the numbers you see reflect the right business. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click Reporting. This takes you to Xero's central hub for financial reports, where everything from summaries to detailed breakdowns lives. From here, select Profit and Loss. This report shows your income, expenses, and net profit for a selected period. Before exporting, take a moment to review or customize the report so it says exactly what you need. Adjust the date range to match your reporting period. Choose cash or accrual basis as appropriate for your accounting method, and if you use tracking categories, apply them to focus on a department, project, or location. You can also compare periods to show trends. Give the report a quick scan to confirm headings, totals, and subtotals look correct. When you're happy with what you see, find the PDF icon in the top toolbar and click it. This tells Xero to create a fixed, shareable version of your profit and loss that preserves formatting and layout. It's the best way to make sure your printed copy looks exactly like what's on screen. Next, wait for the profit and loss PDF to export. Depending on the size of your data and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Your browser may download the file automatically to your default downloads folder, or it may open in a new tab. Open the exported PDF file. If it downloaded, you'll typically find it in your browser's download bar or your computer's downloads folder. With the PDF open, click the print icon in the viewer. This button is usually near the top of the window and looks like a small printer. Now select your printer settings. Choose the printer you want to use, pick the page range if you don't need the entire report, and set orientation to portrait or landscape so columns fit neatly. Adjust scale or fit to page to avoid cutoff columns, and select color or grayscale based on your needs. If your printer supports it, enabling double-sided printing can save paper. Finally, click Print. That's it. You've exported and printed a clean profit and loss report from Xero, ready for accounting, meetings, or your business records.